Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth from Black Market Wax Seal and Leather Stamp. Today we are going to show you how to make a wax seal. Today we will need the wax seal, sealing wax, foil paper and the electric hot plate. The electric hot plate is recommended if you always need to make a large quantity of wax seal. But if you only make few wax seals in a time, I will recommend you to use the spoon and the candle. Melt the wax glue, put it inside the spoon and heat over the candle. Another way is using glue gun. We have sealing wax designed to use with a glue gun. You can find them on our store, blackmarketinter.com. Then use the foil paper to wrap around the plate. This makes it easier to clean up after finished the work. Wrap it well and make sure the melting wax will not leak out to the hot plate surface. Otherwise it is painful to clean up the mess. Put the sealing wax into the holder of the hot plate. Wait for the wax melting into liquid form. Use a spoon to pour the melting wax on the envelope or the decided area. Spread the wax slowly and evenly on the area. About $1 coin size of wax will be enough for the standard size wax seal, say 25mm stamp. Make sure the wax seal is pressed in a correct direction. Press the wax seal on the melting wax slowly. And then, we wait for 10 and 20 seconds for cooling down the wax. Then, remove the wax seal stamp slowly. And it is done. See, it is cool. Making a wax seal is never difficult. If you are interested to purchase a wax seal or customize an own design stamp, let's visit our website. The link can be found in the video description. Of course, remember to subscribe our channel. Bye bye, see you around.